Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing the essentials. Confirm your carrier plan supports tethering and you have sufficient data. Plug the phone into power and turn off battery saver so the system won't throttle background services. Next, open Settings, choose Hotspot or Personal Hotspot, then create a clear SSID and a strong password so devices reconnect reliably. Once done, enable any maximize compatibility or tethering options your device offers. This reduces disconnects and helps devices stay paired without repeated approvals. You now stop the phone from sleeping and closing the hotspot. On iOS, set auto lock to never while tethering. On Android, increase screen timeout or use a developer stay awake option when charging. Disable battery optimization for the hotspot/tethering service so the OS won't kill it. Make sure connected devices are allowed to auto-reconnect and that Wi-Fi, keep alive, or persistent tethering options are on. Once those adjustments are in place, verify connected devices retain IP leases so they don't need reauthorization. Finish by stabilizing power and network state. You should keep the phone plugged in or above a chosen battery threshold so automatic shutdowns don't occur. If you need truly uninterrupted service, consider a small travel router or USB tether to a laptop. These reduce mobile OS interruptions. If it still drops, restart the hotspot, briefly toggle airplane mode, or check your carrier data cap. One key troubleshooting tip: disable any aggressive data saving or VPN apps that can intercept traffic and terminate the tethering service.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.